Thank you for being here and purchasing edge and corner protector from WEPOL. WEPOL is a US-based small company, and these edge and corner protector is required for all, especially for kids, pets, elderly people, for their extra safe. And in order to install this is pretty simple. There are some 3M tape on the back. We'll just remove and start installing. But the one for the sides, as you can see, they don't come with the tape. So we will add this tape. These are double-sided, so we can add them and then peel it off when we're trying to glue it to the side. Now, for you, these are long rolls, so you will measure your area according to your need and start cutting it off where you need to cut it off. So I will start with installing this corner one, which is pretty easy and simple. You will just take off these stickers from all sides, and as you can see how easily these are removable, but their adhesives are very good and it stays on. But before I do the installation, it is very important that we have a clear and clean surface, so no dirt gets stuck on the glue. So I am taking a cloth here and making sure I am wiping the edges down. So these are pretty clean. So now that I'm going to do it in the corner, I'm going to make sure there is no dirt, no oil. I am going to go ahead and place this. You can see how easy it is, just going to the edge and stick it on. I'm just pressing it down so they are glued properly in the right space. And as simple as this, this is done. This corner is done. Now we are gonna measure the area. We need to get this one sealed. So I peeled it off and I made sure there is a clear glue part is sticking to the rubber part of it. So just wanted to show you how it is going to be. You should expect to see this. If you're peeling off the entire thing, you're not leaving any glue on the back. So I am going to just remove some portion of it and try to make sure that I am aligning it in a right manner and then the right areas. Once I have it, I'm holding it down and then I'm peeling the remaining off, and I'm gonna make sure I press it down slightly just so that the sticker goes right on the edge of it. And you know, there is no right or wrong way of doing it. You can take, maybe if you have other sets of hand, you can use that. Take those off. And I'm gonna make sure the corners are going right in. Similarly, continue the same process. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this was helpful, and hope you guys find this process easy and simple for to install.